Okay, guys, welcome back. How do you do? We're going to talk about Shiba Inu, and one thing I love about myself, or one thing I love about market, the financial market, is that it takes time to play out, and the best part is that seeing it finally following your buyers. All right. And the funny thing is that you see me drop an update, sorry, an outlook, and then I just disappear. I won't post again until possibly some months later on. All right. And that is fine because I'm not kind of like a YouTube guy or someone that always posts online all the time. I'm quite busy. But the best part is that seeing everything that I drop for you guys play out in possible future, possibly when I did not even expect it to. So 9 months ago, if you go to my YouTube channel, I talked about Shiba Inu right here, and I think there were other places I talked about Shiba Inu, but I also talked about here 9 months ago, and I also dropped an update of it playing out 9 months ago, right? So when I shared about Shiba Inu, I was on the daily time frame, and I explained everything to why it has to go higher after taking a sweep of liquid, after doing a sweep of liquidity right here, taking out the sell stop, and we trade higher. Now my idea, what I had in mind was that it should impulsively go higher, right? That was what I said. But then we had a little bit of drawdown. It traded downwards, it traded backwards, and then still it went higher. Now if you pay very close attention to what actually happened here, I'm going to give you a breakdown now. To what actually happened here is that we were printing series of higher high, series of higher high and higher low. Now I explained in the Shiba Inu video that I am expecting it to go higher due to the fact that there was no other area in which it could sell from, because every sell area has been kicked out of the market, has been violated. So we will not be expecting to see any sell coming up as long as we have balanced every area. We have sell side inefficiency, bearish order block, all that kind of a thing, and we are now left with areas of buy side, right? So you can actually see there's no area for you to sell from again, and all of these highs has been kicked out of the market. We are now having a structural shift and seeing this as an accumulation phase, as I explained in the previous video, and then we impulsively trade higher, right? So this is the only area where we have an inefficiency, and the market we get to that area of inefficiency and we expect it, right? So we trade higher, we have a higher high, we have a high, and we now came back low, we have a swing low, right? And then the confirmation trade was also seen here, when if it has to sell, we have used this to continue selling. But what actually happened was that it respected it but did not break a structure, and then it finally gets violated, right? So we're now having that structural shift, and the expectation is that we are seeing it going for this high, and then we'll be targeting that long-term high. So from our monthly time frame, which shows everything clean and clear, you can actually see we have this high, we have this low, and we want to see it create a new higher high. So in possible future from next year, I will see if it wants to retrace backwards to this area of sell side inefficiency, like to come give us a new higher low, right? That would be when I'll be anticipating to get more of these assets. But for now, I have to play safe and control my psychology, just waiting for it to break a high and still this high. Then we come back, and then I'll expect to purchase Shiba. All right, and we expecting it to continue going higher. We have already seen Doge deliver its own. All right, we have already seen Doge deliver its own, and Doge is a bullish trend, right? We don't actually see any bearish trend for now on Doge, and it shows its sign right here by shifting trend, right? Violating this high, came back, give us a higher low, and we finally see the higher high. now might be still expecting next year to see a little bit of drawdown, and we'll look for opportunity to get into the market after we see a confirmation entry. But I love what Shiba did here. It's quite beautiful, sweet for me, and I'm just expecting, patiently waiting for it to do what I'm anticipating to see it do, and we get involved into the market. But for now, I'm playing safe. Has could possibly miss some opportunities, but there's always opportunity in the market. The thing there is to know when is it going to show the right time to get involved, right? So this is beautiful for me. I don't know for you, but from what I've seen, analyzed, and gathered from my data collection, I can actually see that Shiba Inu, its market cap makes sense to me. Looking at it, we have $18.98 billion market cap, right? And total supply 589, right? So it makes sense to me, right? So I believe Shiba has something coming up, right? So patiently waiting because I want it to go higher, right? Most people that know me for a very long time always see me lamenting, I love Shiba, and the best part is seeing it doing it what I want to, I'm expecting it to see, by first of all doing this impulse, which is absolutely fun, interesting, and then trace backwards, and then we have this other impulse, this energy in the buy, in the bullish candles happening, instead of it moving so weak like it did on the sell side, right? So the same thing I explained on AVAX, you can actually see the weakness in that cells, right? It shows very weak. It was very weak, and we had that reversal and that impulse bullish move going on. So especially waiting for Shiba. So that is it, guys. This is a very short video. I'm so tired, I need to go to sleep, but I just want to share this here to save it here on my YouTube channel. All right, see you guys anytime, any day. Take care and be safe.